Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting the files into Premiere Pro and making them visible. Import the camera clip and the external recorder track, then create a sequence matching the camera timeline. Once done, make sure waveforms are visible and audio tracks aren't muted so you can see the spikes. Check sample rates and clip frame rates. Mismatches can slow sync. Finally, put the files on adjacent tracks, camera audio above, recorder below, so alignment is straightforward. You can use Premiere's automatic tools first. Select both clips, right-click and choose Synchronize, pick audio and a reference track, then press OK. The algorithm aligns peaks. If it doesn't match perfectly, zoom into the waveform and nudge the external track by single frames or milliseconds, listening in solo to confirm. Once aligned, use merge clips to create one synced clip or nest the tracks to keep edits tidy, because merged clips retain both audio sources for mixing later. You finish by choosing the primary audio, often the external recorder, and lowering or deleting camera audio, then add short crossfades to remove clicks. Render an audio preview and scrub through speaking parts at normal and half speed to confirm lip sync. If audio drifts over long takes, make sure sample rates and timecode match. Convert or reinterpret footage if needed. As a last resort, use a dedicated tool like Plural Eyes, because it handles drift and complex multi-track alignment reliably.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.